Menteri Rangba Kajela o Konrad ke sangma hak si baar jo kata yo ula bu mau Nongrim ban Kyntiew Kyrdan no ya ka Mawryngkneng Primary Health Center Shaka Community Health Center kabade ka we niki project jong Kajela ban Kyntiew Kyrdan yaki jaka sumar hak Kajela ya ka bala betengka da ka World Bank. Lakban kedau hang ni bagi nong sonong joko than Mawryngkneng kila dawala slem bah ban Kyntiew Kyrdan ya ka Primary Health Center Shaka Community Health Center namar ka jing kudup jong kani ka jaka sumar ya ki babun tiliki sinong kathan nalor bakadeiru ka badan harut jong ka surok ba kani ka jing angnut jiki pat ba kala urlong ha ka si baar da ka jing bu mau Nongrim jong Menteri Rangba ha ka jing ran rangkat lang usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tunsong Menteri Ketenat ka koi ka uba ALHEC Menteri Ketenat Transport uba sngau balang dahar bat kibe-kibe habakren ka jingelang belengkot Menteri Rangba uloong ba ka jing penbiang ikilat ai jing sumara ka jela kade ka kam ka bahak mat jong ka sarkar ka bamenta haba penpauru ba ka jing Kyntiew Kyrdan dia ka Mawryngkneng PHC Shaka CHC kade si benta ban penbiang ka jing sakri jong ka jaka sumar jong ka sarkar ya upat ba ka than Klem da kentat bagi dang don ki babun ki jing duna hai ki jaka ajing sumar hai ki nong kendong Menteri Rangba ulo ongru baka jela kadang don kam bun ki jing yaram na ka benta ban penbiang su ye ki jing don kam la ka long na du ki jing don kam ki nong trei ki tiar sumar bat ki be kenang baka jing sakri kan long kat kum ka jing don kam ula pentep baka sarkar jela ka don jing tmu ban penteri kam menta ye ki project ki behe ba ha ka liang ka kot ka kya rengkat ka jing kersan pisa Jonka World Bank.
I can clearly understand the importance of this CHC because it is not just for the people of this area, but being in such a strategic location, this particular CHC can benefit much more and much beyond just simply this area or this particular village. So therefore, the suggestions given by the Honorable Minister, Mr. ALHEC, to open up a trauma center as well as a blood bank is something that will really add value to the services in this particular CHC, and I can assure you that we will very, very positively consider those suggestions also from our side. Friends, health has been a very important aspect for this government. We have realized that health indicators and the health services are not up to the mark in terms of being able to provide it in the rural areas. A lot of investment, a lot of upgradation, a lot of manpower has to be put in to ensure that the health services overall come up. With that in mind, this MDA government has been working very hard to upgrade the overall health facilities in many rural parts of the state.